in the 3rd Laguna ROTC Festival 2009 goes to Laguna State Polytechnic University, Los Baños Campus. Second runner-up in the 3rd Laguna ROTC Festival 2009 competition. Second runner-up goes to Pamantasan ng Kabuyao ROTC Unit. The first runner-up in the 3rd Laguna ROTC Festival 2009 competition goes to Laguna State Polytechnic University. Okay. So, Los Baños Campus garnered 80.225 points, while LSPU Santa Cruz Campus PNC muna, garnered 88.4. LSPU Santa Cruz Campus garnered 89.325. The champion to receive the Perpetual Trophy and Certificate, University of the Philippines, Los Baños, overall champion. Okay, so again, ang evaluators natin is not